Our heroes stood brave and strong. Paul Bogle marched through sun and rain for justice, freedom, breaking the chain. George William Gordon, bold and wise, spoke truth to power, paid the price. Nanny of the Maroons, fierce and free, led a people through history. Oh yes, Sam Sharp rose with faith so deep, said better to die than live as sheep. Marcus Garvey, vision grand, taught pride and strength across the land. Norman Manley, calm and bright, guided us towards freedom's light. Bustamante, loud and proud, fought for workers, led the crowd. Their courage bursts, their spirits stay, guiding Jamaica every day. Since 1969 we shout and say, one people, one nation, Jamaica, hooray!